We're doing a black badge Cullinan, and it was the first of its kind. It was none of the above. It wasn't a Mansuri kit. It wasn't a Novatech kit, not a 1016, not a Wall. Time has come to reveal what this kit is. This is a collaboration build between Platinum Group, ourselves, RD at Wires Only, and nonetheless, the brand that I've been kind of teasing, it's Urban Automotive out of the UK. So this is the first and only kit in the US currently right now. There is no other one that exists. This will be the first car in the US built with the Urban Automotive full wide body kit. We're excited, man. I mean, as of late, every project has been exciting us. The car is a black badge, which is crazy as is. On top of it being a black badge, we're getting this Urban Automotive wide body kit, a bunch of exposed carbon, and it's different from everything else. Like the front LEDs are square LEDs, exposed carbon all the way around. The middle lower grille on the front bumper is carbon fiber. It has wheel arcs, it has rockers, it has a roof spoiler, trunk spoiler, beautiful looking quad square style tips. I think it's gonna be amazing. Just looking at the kit off the top, and you know, not to downplay anyone else, but the quality of the kit looks amazing. Like the details, the finishing, it doesn't look like some fiberglass kit that was just molded out. Like the quality looks amazing. I can't wait to see this thing on. We're literally gonna start test fitting it on the car now. We're hoping that we can have this bad boy done in a week. So stay tuned. This one's gonna be a monster build. And again, we appreciate all the support as always. So I can't wait for you guys to see this. Yo, so we're Christmas heavy. When I say heavy, we're heavy, you know what I mean? So you guys saw earlier in the episode, we were talking about the Urban Automotive wide body kit, which is called the Wide-Track. And for the first time, this is the very, very first Rolls-Royce Cullinan Urban Wide-Track kit in the United States. So the first to do it. We've been keeping up this annual tradition going for some time now. Last year, we dropped this crazy blue Novatech Cully with some wild wheels, slammed, and the shit was amazing. Every year we come with something new. This year happens to be the Urban Automotive Wide-Track kit. RD, we love you, man. We hope you guys enjoy it. A lot of details on this particular one right here. Their Wide-Track kit comes with a lot of exposed carbon fiber. As you guys can see, the vents on the left and the right of the bumper is exposed carbon. There's a front lower lip that goes through the vehicle in the exposed carbon. What we did with our signature moves though, we took the front grille apart and we took the slats apart. We painted the interior color as an accent color on the inside of the slats. Besides that, we ran a LED light that illuminates the grille and illuminates the color so that you can see it better, basically. A lot of cool details. This car is a black badge, so it's a heavy hitter to start with, but besides it being a black badge, now it has this Wide-Track kit on it, and we're premiering our wheels. These are brand new. This is literally the first car that received these wheels. It's a forged dual block wheel. It looks like a one piece, but it's a two-piece construction, 24-inch. Kind of looks like the OEM current new Phantom wheel, but we put our twist on it. A lot of details, like around where the floating cap sits, there's cut grooves, a lot of machining, a lot of time that went behind these wheels and the design. As you guys can see, the offset is perfect. It sits right at the fenders. This thing is probably, this kit, the Urban kit, is probably one of the widest kits I've seen. Jack and I were a little worried when we were first designing and doing this build. We didn't know if the wheel offset was going to be clutch like how it is now, but the stance came out crazy. Offsets worked out perfectly. A big SO to the Urban Automotive crew back in the UK. Yo, fitment, perfect. Quality, amazing. I tip my hat off to you guys. You guys did an amazing job. It's amazing to work with you guys. We got a lot of stuff coming with these Urban boys back home in the UK. A lot of crazy builds coming with them. You guys will see a lot more Urban on the streets of LA for sure, and all around the world. But going back to the details, it has the Charles blue coach line that goes through the side of the vehicle. The black badge obviously comes with all the black chrome accents. Exposed carbon on the rockers. Beautiful Charles blue interior. This car came with a carbon fiber larger weave on the interior, tables, entertainment TVs in the back. So this thing is a monster, as you guys can see. It has exposed carbon fiber roof spoiler, exposed carbon fiber trunk wing, the wider flares on all 4 arcs naturally, carbon fiber rear exposed diffuser with 2 quad square style exhaust tips that kind of tie in and make this thing really work. It's all in the details. The stance of the vehicle is extremely important. So when you lower a car, it has to sit just right. Like it was a nightmare because we wanted to go lower. We went low. It was touching some of the fender flares on the front, but we worked hard. We went around it to make sure the stance of the vehicle is perfect. The offset of the wheels is also another big thing. You know, people throw wheels on cars, but it just doesn't work that way. For one, the design needs to flow with the vehicle. Number 2, the offset and the stance needs to be perfect so it accompanies the kit and accompanies the car real well. Obviously, we have a black badge here. It's an expensive car to begin with, and then it has all these upgrades on it, so it needs to flow well together for it to work, and it obviously works in this case. This vehicle also, before I forget, it is for sale. So we're shooting this thing right now for you guys. This is December 24th. We're shooting on Christmas Eve day. This episode will be dropping soon. If the vehicle hasn't sold by then, it will be available. You guys can hit us directly, and we'll make sure you guys are in contact, obviously, with the right people to make sure you guys get this. It won't fit under the Christmas tree, but it will fit in your driveway or your garage. We hope you guys enjoyed this episode and this beautiful build. RD, thank you for the opportunities as always. Urban Automotive, we appreciate you guys as well. Stay tuned. We got a lot more in store for you guys, and see you guys soon.